There is no how you are Igbo and I'm Igbo. Both of us do speak Igbo. But we enter the particular place. In your bid to form Tush girl, you switch to speaking English for me. I'm going to disgrace you. I don't understand. Both of us used to speak Igbo, maybe inside the house, or we used to speak Igbo personally. We enter the place, maybe a public place, you walk in, you switch to English. Are you on colors? You didn't look well before you're doing that your switch of language. You are doing it with the wrong person. Why are you switch? I don't understand. You're still talking to me, but you've switched to English. So I'll start speaking English with you. No. I cannot. I will not do it. That is not how I'm doing it. So you're trying to tell me that because you, like, if you're speaking Igbo in that place that you entered, you're going to be considered what exactly? As in, girls, are you people on colos? I can count how many girls I know that do this thing. But you are wrong if you're doing it with me. Even if I enter a place there is only white people there, my sister, I'm still talking to you. We have not still talking to these people. So why are you switching? Are you involving them in I don't understand. Until I'm talking to you, another person that I know that you're not Igbo, that's when I'm going to speak English. Please, oh. So if you know that this is the type of person you are, please don't even try associating with me. Me that love, do you think this English I'm speaking is do you think I like it? It's stress. This I'm speaking now is stress. I don't like speaking it is stress. Why are you stressing my life? You're switching to English. You're switching, and another one. They'll ask you your name. They'll ask you, a full-grown Igbo girl that speaks Igbo, that her mom calls her Igbo name at home. They'll not ask you your name when you go out. They're not saying, my name is Sophia. My name is Singing Bell. Because I don't even know the name I'm going to call now. So what happened to that your Igbo name? Okay, it's different that you grew up and people are calling you like your parents started calling your English name. So it's okay for you to tell people your English. But some people, some way case that I know, their parents, their people, everybody calls them by their Igbo name. But once you enter maybe university or enter a place you think for high class, I don't even know who informed you that you answering your English Igbo name makes you low class. You entered school. What is my your name? My name is Praise the Lord. My name is Hallelujah. So you don't think all of a sudden that you answering your Igbo name makes you Mweke. God have mercy on you. You start looking for Tush name. What will the Tush name do for you? What will it do for you, my sister? What? It's not do anything for you. Another one. This one is for parents. If you're raising your child in Igbo land, and you're not speaking that child's mother tongue, which is Igbo, for that child, you are doing a wrong thing. You are wrong. Because I don't know what you parents are even thinking. I don't know what you are thinking. Come, go in English. You know they pay you for math. And the worst part, I keep saying it, that English you are speaking, there is no how you twist your tongue to speak it, that you are going to speak it like the owners of English language. There is no how you twist your tongue to speak English, that you are going to speak it like a British person. So why are you killing yourself? Me now, I speak Igbo so fluently. And a British person speaks English so fluently. Instead of you to trying to learn your own, so maybe if they now come out, let's teach ourselves our language, you're going to be champion in your own language first. Because, am I not done speaking English now? Anyhow I speak it, with any accent I speak it, the most important thing is that you understand what I am saying. I must not speak English like a British person before you understand it. Even a British person would understand me perfectly. So why are you trying to speak like them? You cannot speak your mother tongue. You're speaking English. Am I Igbo? So Igbo. You cannot do anyone perfectly. You're not speaking Igbo perfectly. You're not speaking the English perfectly. You're just there. You are just there. It is wrong, parents. It is wrong. You give birth to your baby. You start speaking English to the baby at home. The baby that's still going to go to school to learn English. What are they now doing in school? If you're not saying, let me start teaching them English at home, or because maybe now, if they now go somewhere, they cannot speak English. Those people should speak Igbo for them now. They cannot speak English, and they'll not be looking as if they don't. My dear, intelligence is not measured by how you speak English. I don't know why parents are not getting this into their thick skull. Intelligence, it is not measured by how I've seen confirm Olodos blowing grammar. Who he help? Who he help? Nobody. Speak your mother tongue. Answer your native name. You think everything associated with your language and everything is for the low class. That's why we enter a place, you switch up to English. You and who is in that one? I ask you your name, tell me your English name. You and who? You cannot speak your language. Nothing. Anything that concerns your language is zero. It is zero. It is wrong. It is wrong. Why I'm making this video is that once you're Igbo and you see me, my sister, my brother, speak Igbo for me, oh. Speak Igbo for me. Use it and know me. Mweke, fine and good. If your child is coming to talk to me and that child is Igbo, better tell her, as you're going to Munachi's place, speak Igbo for her. Oh. There's my auntie that once I come to her house, she will tell her children, no more English. Oh. One other is in the building. Of course. One other is in the building, of course. Speak Igbo. Nothing will happen to you. Speak your native language. Nothing will happen to you. That English you're speaking, you cannot even speak it very well. My mother say me to say you. My father say me to say you. I say you to say us. You're even speaking nonsense. You're speaking what a British will not even understand. You're on colors, but you don't know. Except you're not in an Igbo land, which even if you're not in Igbo land, you should teach your child how to speak Igbo. But it's even understandable than all these ones that are staying here in Onitsha with me. You are speaking English. Who you want to impress? Who are you impressing? You're speaking English in Onitsha. You're speaking English in Onitsha. Hey. Oh. It be things. Please, oh, I've said my own. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, comment, and like. Thank you.